Let's start with the research part. So previously, I had to go through the Meta ads library or TikTok ads library and look at all the ads that my competitors are running and what patterns I can find there in terms of their winning hooks, in terms of visual formats that they vary. So this type of competitor research can all be done in Superscale. I just picked Airbnb as an example and asked Superscale to analyze my competitors and their strategies. And it gave me this super detailed report on what they do, what my action plan would be based on those data-backed insights. We can even stay in the same chat and ask Superscale to create some statics based on those findings. Let's have a look at this. Superscale created those 15 statics based on winning competitor ads, and I have to say, I quite like them. Once your ads are live and you have performance data, come right back. Ask the agent to analyze what's working now and iterate on your top performers. So for example, here I asked Superscale to analyze my creators in the last 30 days, and it gave me an exact breakdown on what worked for us. And you can even see the campaigns that we are running and the analysis that Superscale did based on that.